The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Time now 12:19 as we have a look at our current conditions courtesy of our sky cameras. Temperatures across southwest Virginia are fairly comfortable out there. We're dealing with lots and lots of sunshine with variable winds just all over the place, anywhere from 3 to 8 miles per hour out of the east, out of the north, out of the west. It's variable winds. So that's what we're dealing with at this time. A couple of spots still in the 60s, like Hot Springs and Independence, both at 68, 69. Alta Vista, the warm spot this afternoon, 79 degrees, but expected to warm up just a little bit more than that. Lynchburg and Southside will get right up to about 83. Roanoke and the Highlands get to 82, and the New River Valley will get to about 78 degrees this afternoon. Once we head into the evening, things will start to calm down. We're still going to stay mostly clear, so it's going to be a beautiful evening in store. Once we get to 9 p.m., temperatures dive back down into the upper 60s, and then overnight lows return to the 40s for the New River Valley. Everywhere else going to be around the low to mid 50s, so not going to be as cool as what we saw this morning or yesterday morning. That's going to be the trend over the next couple days. The morning temperatures are going to be on the rise. However, they're still about 5 to 10 degrees below where we should be for this time of year. Remember, it's still summer. We've still got about 2 weeks until fall officially begins, so we are taking what we can get with these cooler than average temperatures. Now, transitioning to Tropical Storm Francine. There she is, churning away in the Gulf of Mexico near the Rio Grande Valley, which is right between the border of Texas and Mexico right here, just offshore. Going to continue to move north-northeast at 8 miles per hour with winds still at 65 miles per hour. The next new track will come out at 4 p.m. and pressure is down just a little bit from this morning. It's now expected to get to a Category 1 hurricane, upper end Category 1 hurricane. Category 2 would be 96 mile per hour winds. It's not to say it can't get there, but at this time it looks like the strengthening process has slowed down, which is good news. The cone has also shifted a little bit further to the right. We're actively tracking a hurricane warning in effect for the Louisiana coastline. Also tropical storm warnings in effect here for the Texas coastline and including Mississippi, as well as parts of Florida under a tropical storm watch. So lots going on there. Tracking future wind gusts could see winds in excess of 100 miles per hour at the time of landfall, which is predicted to be around this time come tomorrow afternoon. Once it makes landfall, it quickly moves off towards the north into Thursday and then into Friday. Notice how large the wind field is, bringing 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts across the board. Also tracking the potential for some rainfall. And if you notice on this map, we have Roanoke highlighted there, with potentially 1 inch of rain in the next 7 days, all thanks to Francine. So as we go towards your 7-day forecast, we do have a 20% chance of rain on Friday, then a 40% chance of rain on Saturday with an increase in cloud cover.